heavy Saturday. So bad. You guys are balancing on so much skincare right now. If it falls, I don't know what to do. If you guys have dry skin, Cetaphil Daily Face Moisturizer, because we need SPF, and then I mix it with the Marine Hyaluronics. Hey, let's focus. Say, let's focus. I'm right. Let me lock in. Okay. Hey, there we go. Marine Hyaluronics, Cetaphil Daily Face Moisturizer with SPF. I'm telling you guys. So pretty. Yay. Hey. Well, good morning. I don't know how to start this. I'm making a little day in my life. If there is some chance you are watching this and you're not one of like the 10 friends I have. If you're watching this and you're like, this popped up on my subscription box, who is this girl? I made videos 11 years ago. Up until 9 years ago. And I put some of those clips here because it gives me a giggle. So I might give you a giggle.
Just let it be.
So much fun.
I was running through the 6 with my woes. Go running through the 6 with my woes.
I'm sorry, but watching those videos back, I was almost in tears. Like, who did I think I was? I loved it. I loved it. Anyway. But that is probably why I'm still in your subscription box. And you're like, I don't know who this is. So I welcome you to stay because we're back and this is for fun. And this has just always been like such a creative outlet for me and like so therapeutic for me. And so I'm like, why not do it again? I think it's just so fun. I love watching day in my lives, morning routines, little vlogs. So I'm like, why not make them? It seems so fun. But I'm gonna make breakfast. Oh, I'm Michelle, if you're new here. To all my new fans, my Snapchat private story was sick of hearing me talk every day, so I'm doing this again instead, which is really why this started in the first place. So there's that. We're gonna make breakfast because it's 7:37 and I have to leave by 8 today because I have to be at work a little bit earlier. But we'll talk about that more later. This feels so weird. chicken, broccoli, and cilantro lime rice. I'm addicted to these. It's bad. I also finally found a cherry bomb Alani new to try. And I really don't drink energy drinks like that anymore because I was definitely having way too much caffeine for a minute there. But I want to try this and I feel like I'm gonna need it today. We have a lot of meetings. Gonna be a lot of avocado. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I don't have coffee with my breakfast unless I'm like eating it out somewhere. I usually try to have it after my breakfast because I want to make sure I have food in my stomach. I want to watch TikToks while I eat. I was gonna make a coffee and then I need to stop looking at that viewfinder. 13-year-old me knew better than that. I was gonna make a coffee, then I realized yesterday I was literally tweaking with a coffee and then a matcha after work. So maybe if I'm bringing an energy drink, let's just stick to that, you know? Are you guys seeing how foggy it is right now? There's no way. You can't see me. Anyway, I'm gonna head, okay, I'm talking, car, I'm talking. I'm gonna head to work now. It is 7:58, okay, it's 7:58. It's 7:58. I'm gonna head to work. It says I'll be there at 8:35, which is perfect because I have an event at 9 and it's like a 2-minute setup, but why does it say my battery's down when it just said I had 30%? And we're listening to Hozier? Yeah, it's cloudy out, so we're listening to Hozier. All right, let me lock in on driving. I just got to work. I am probably not gonna film anything at work because I like my job and I would like to keep it. I'll probably see you guys after, and that's all I have to say. I'm done. It's Friday. I do work tomorrow, but it's still Friday. I go home and I literally still somehow have this energy drink. I do this all the time with coffee with energy drinks. I will start sipping them at work and I forget that they're there and then I forget about them, but this is so fire. It literally tastes like cherry Coke. It's so good. Anyway, gonna drive home and then probably work out, even though I have no energy, but we gotta do it. We gotta do it. I think today I'm gonna do a Pilates video. I've been doing this Pilates challenge off of Pilates by Izzy, and it's definitely hard. I have been doing, you're supposed to do it every day for 25 days. I haven't been doing that. I've been doing like most days, but then every now and then I just want to change of pace. So either I'll go on like an incline walk or just go to the gym. But I think today I'm gonna do Pilates because it is so just like cold and rainy out that I don't feel like leaving the house again. So I think we're gonna do that. But first I want a little snack.
Using a set of ankle weights and a set of anywhere from 1.
That woman, she wants to kill me. She's doing this to kill me. There's no other reason. guys, it's 8:13. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast for dinner, and my boyfriend's on his way over, and we're just gonna watch Love is Blind and probably Dragon Ball Z because he got me started watching that. Well, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna end this here. Let me know if you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. This was just fun. I feel like it like kept me more present in my day and definitely helped me a lot more accountable to things that I wanted to do, because my ass probably would not have done that Pilates video if I wasn't recording this. I'm probably gonna have an early night because I have to work again tomorrow, so there's really not much else to film. Anyway, stay tuned. When you guys see me blow up and I have millions of subscribers, you guys can say you were the OGs, okay? And that's all that matters. All right, bye.